I kid you not. I am going to show you something. You will not freaking believe what I have just found. All right, Dad Random today. I'm out taking a walk with Steve, and I've got, today I've decided to have a little bit of fun, and I brought the Go 3S with me. So this is all the video here is Insta360 Go 3S, and yeah, it should be fun. It's just a nice little handy camera, real easy to mess around with, and we can have fun checking Steve out. And all right, we're just gonna chill on this walk. All right, Dead Random. Yeah, it's pretty busy. Everybody's coming and going at this time. All right, we let's keep on. This is like the Insta360 Go 3S. It's kind of like the perfect little vlogging camera, and it weighs absolutely nothing. Gets a decent focal length. Once it gets darker, I could, if it gets dark enough, I could change over to the bigger camera, to the bigger lens. But this is just way easy to use. I pull this thing out and it's like instant, instant gratification. We're gonna do some overland right here. We're gonna just go where the direction tells us to go instead of following the trail. It's a lot more fun for Steve, and it's a heck of a lot more fun for me. All right. So Insta360 Go, yeah. So this is the Go 3S. And I brought this camera to Europe. It was just absolutely amazing, easy to use. Just a great little trail buddy. And you'll recognize right away, stabilized, and the audio is superb. So no external mics. So, all right, Dad Random out with Steve, Insta360 Go 3S, and you can't beat it for the price, for what you get. So, right, Dad Random. So I've got a little gadget I put on my backpack. It's a little clip, and you can connect the Insta360 Go 3S or any camera for that matter, and allows you to have some hands-free vlogging, a little bit of hands-free walking. It's just really nice and handy, but you get that first-person perspective, which is kind of cool. I don't know how long we're going to walk today. We're going to watch the sun go down, pretty much. So, but yeah, great little camera. I've taken it a lot of places, and as long as the light's good, as long as the light is good, you have excellent footage with this camera. And there's a lot of things you can do to it. Now I'm not in free frame mode. I'm in regular video mode. So I'm not utilizing the entire sensor, which is okay. All right, Dead Random. So if you're wondering, here's my selfie stick I use. So this is what I connect to the Ulanzi, little tiny mini selfie stick. Perfect for, it does fit inside the case. I didn't bring my hat clip, and I was going to, but too many gadgets, and I want to enjoy my walk. So the other thing I have is this little rubber cover, so I can close the lens up as we're going. So, all right, Dead Random. But that's all I'm using today. All right. So why would I hike with this, for example, and not with the X4? Well, price, it's really not about price. It's about ease. This thing is just going to be much easier for me to edit later. I don't have to play too much, but if I did put it in free frame, I could do some other editing magic. So it's just simplicity. It's all about being simple, being able to enjoy your walk and not have to feel like you're you're doing some kind of, making some kind of movie every time. So, but yeah, all right. Now that was a good choice, Steve. That was pretty smart, crossing country like that. That was good. Stay off the trail. All right. All right, Dad Random back. Sun's getting lower, going down pretty quick. And back on the selfie stick, as you can see. So this is what I'm clipping onto right here. This little doodad, this little hiking gadget right there. Super, super helpful. And I always have some kind of a lens guard. So you can just toss it on and throw it in with your bag, But this one has a cool feature that other cameras do not. And that is this feature right here, where I can show you basically, all right, I can show you the, which you can't do with any other camera. There's really no way of duplicating this shot right here. Right, Steve? So, and then I walk with my monitor. It's pretty dang cool. But like I said, in a few minutes, this camera will be kind of useless. So, all right, I got to put this thing back together. It works better in tandem. All right, but that's a nifty little fun trick. But yeah, there's a lot of people that have passed on this camera, and it's just too good to pass on. If you're just looking for some quick action, this is gonna definitely give it to you. All right, Dad Random. All right, do a little searching. This is the drone search. So I can actually see over here with the right lighting, the tree up there, which is black. So we are just past the black tree. So that drone, if it is anywhere, is somewhere in this area here. There's really nowhere else for it to be. And if it's not here, if it's not in this spot right here, it probably got picked up by someone, which is what I think happened. I think somebody picked it up, and that's how it went down, Curious, grabbed it, So, all right, let me just walk around a little bit, and then we'll head home. All right, Dad Random, Insta360 Go 3S. And this is the most awesome hiking camera there is. No question about it. Just no frills, no nothing. And a drone searching camera for sure. So we're gonna look for the drone here. And take me 2 seconds to put this thing away, which I'm gonna do right now. And flip the screen down, got the flippy screen up. And we're gonna take it down, all right? Dad Random back. I kid you not, I am going to show you something. You will not freaking believe what I have just found. You will not believe it. And no, it's not the kitchen sink. It is my original pile of doodads that I found before right there. How can I find my doodads twice and not find this gray drone? I just don't. I'm just telling you, it's not here. That's if you look for any reasonable amount of time. To run into the same crap over and over again. Oops, I was getting a little closer. That is the one problem with this camera. You got to keep it out there pretty good. We're going to do a couple of laps here. We're basically going along the pathway of the drone. And yeah, you're saying, well, how you going to find the drone if you're vlogging all the time? Well, exactly. Hey, there's a beer can. Modelo. Right, Modelo. We're gonna do a flippy turn here right now. Well, maybe it did come back a little bit. I don't know. I'm going a little bit further past my search zone. I have not put any markers here. It's too close. So, all right, I got to get focused. My light's getting lower. Right, Steve? All right, Steve's going to keep walking too, so which is fine. We're a good spot for him. All right, Dad Random. We have Instago 3, Insta360 Go 3S. Yes, it is a great vlogging companion. And I don't have a drone. I did bring a drone with me, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it up. Maybe, we'll see. All right, Dad Random. Later. I thought I'd get us a video in front of the tree. I didn't do it last time. It's like, why didn't I get a picture of that? All right, everything's lit up so nice. Even Steve. And follow him a little bit. No, I'll never get where I need to go. All right, we're gonna head back down here, down the hill. And yeah, the one thing that this area you do not get a feel for is elevation. So most of the time you're walking or you're flying over something and you do not feel elevation whatsoever. And this has got some pretty significant elevation, you know. And it goes up and it goes down and up and down. And let me tell you something, I have been up and down this hillside, this area, a lot. So there we go. There's my last image right over there. I'm gonna go over here real quick. And of course the beautiful image of the glistening right there. Let me get a still shot of that. All right, we gotta get it. All right, I think this is the Dad Random official wrap-up show of the drone search. If it was around here, it might never have been here, you know. Meaning that somebody probably picked it up the day it went down, you know. It's been quite a few days. And that's okay, you know. I gave it a shot. We looked quite a lot, and we found many things twice. So, and that's saying a lot. If you find the same thing over 3 or 4 times, that means you're, you know, traversing the same area. And there's really, you know, there is always chance, you know. There's always, you know, this chance that, you know, it's going to slip past you, but oh well. All right, we're gonna head back cross country here. And we did a good job. Right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us. Later, Dad Random. Nope, we didn't find the $400 drone, but we gave it a try. So, all right. DJI Neo, the only drone that's Steve proof. All right, and that's why I don't fly with Steve. Sun's going down. We're gonna head across country here. All right. Go 3S day. Insta360 Go 3S. That's why you need one of these. The perfect trail camera. Perfect trail camera, but not for low light. Here's a low light Steve shot right there. We got backlighting, which helps to have a little backlighting. All right, I don't have the screen up, so later. Bye. Dad Random. Nope, we didn't find the drone, and we are not gonna find it. we have determined that the looking has really become fruitless at this point. And after you find the same junk 3 or 4 times and you see the sun go down right there's the sun going down, probably the best reason to come out here, not to look for drones. Right, Steve? All right, let's get home. Later. Bye.